The 2015 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and intuitive all-wheel drive for confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 1,000 kilometers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.